2, 1. Okay, I'm not doing it. Hey riders, welcome back to a brand new video. So finally, after so many days, I'm starting the video. I'm so happy about this. So Anna thought of breaking the streaks of posting video every Sunday because of his exams and all that. Too much stress, obviously studying. That's why I dropped out. But anyways, so I planned a video. Obviously, I love food, so it's gonna be a food vlog. And since we didn't do food reviews for a long time, so I thought we'll do weirdest combination of food, like Coke with cereals, or say Oreo with mayonnaise. That's a little weird, but yes. I'll do everything, and then I'll request Anna to come down for 5 minutes so we can do the video. Let's see who will eat the thing completely. Whoever eats it will win, and I feel I'm the winner. Like, I'm the boss of eating anything. So let's see how the video goes. Welcome back to my cooking show, guys. So now actually these are the food items which I have right here, and I'm going to mix and match all the food items. Now let me start with the Oreo, my favorite. So guys, till now 1, 2, 3 items are done. So now this is my favorite part. I love Boost, even Anna does. So normally we add milk in Boost, but I am going to add orange juice, which is very weird, and it will also look weird. So guys, the 5-star dish is ready, I guess. I know, it's very hard to cook. Actually, I didn't do anything except for placing them, in the right way. So here are 5 main items. We have, the first one is orange juice with Boost, the Indian chocolate. And we have cornflakes with not milk but Pepsi. Let's go Pepsi. Then we have chips and honey, Indian honey. Then we have banana with ketchup, and my favorite Oreo with mayo. It's gonna spoil my taste so much, but let's see. We'll call Anna. He has to do it. He has no other option. And I just made Rihan smell the orange juice, but he was about to puke. And by looking only, I feel like puking. That's a different thing. But Anna has to do it because we don't have that much time for editing and posting. So let me just go call Anna and come back, and we'll see how the video goes.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I just called Anna. He is coming down, and we'll just wait for him to see this beautiful dish that we made here. It's so beautiful. Let's wait.
What is this row?
It is the 5-star dinner.
Started recording, huh?
Yes, long time ago.
Hey riders!
It's already done.
Intro ra?
Everything is done. I have taken care of it.
First time. Anyways, what is this ra?
So now we have to eat all these.
Yeah, animals will eat. Anyways, man, this man has the creativity to do something which is a smiley face with banana which is on blood. What is that?
Ketchup.
With banana.
Yeah.
Why is the only thing which is looking normal over here is Oreo?
Oreo, because I like Oreo. So,
okay. So what are we supposed to do? What is this challenge?
We have to eat this and not
Reels
spit
is
it
only
out.
60
It's
seconds.
not for Reels. It's for YouTube. You told you want to break it, but
Okay, fine.
I don't want to.
So guys, we're kind of gonna taste everything.
Wait, that this is not
Okay,
yet complete.
we'll do it. Wait.
Okay.
So we're trying to taste out everything. I think we'll just try to taste out. I don't know if we are going to taste, but
You have to complete eating it.
yeah.
No wasting food.
Slap you. Anyway, so yeah, we'll just taste everything or try to taste everything, and I'll let you know how it goes. What do you want to taste first?
Okay, I would like you to smell it first.
Smell what?
The juice. I would like you to smell it, then we will.
This juice, right?
Yes, that is the Boost and orange.
We'll think about tasting and all. But what do you want to taste first?
Favorite Oreo.
Okay, so guys, we're tasting the normal Oreo, as you guys can see. Hey, this is not normal. What is this? Why is it?
I kept it in microwave for the cream to melt.
Why is it sliding so much?
The cream is melting.
Okay.
Cheers.
I am scared now.
Cheers.
Hey, you did something wrong.
You have to eat it.
No. What is this?
It's Oreo.
How did you eat the whole thing?
Because I'm Uday.
It tasted normal only, but there was mayo inside.
Yes.
It was salty.
Salty.
Two. Oh, one is over.
God,
One wicket is over,
I
guys.
don't want to eat the Oreo.
Your SD rider tube has survived the first one. I'm dead. And Uday is dead. So yeah, what is the next? I don't think I can survive all. We'll taste the lace.
No, banana.
Banana. There's no chocolate on top of it. You take
It is my favorite.
Guys, the
ketchup.
banana literally looks like it's gone through a crime scene, guys. Just look at that, so bloody on top of it. God knows who's gonna eat this right now.
See, I'm Uday. I can eat anything.
Where's mine?
The fork is there.
Pork.
Fork.
Taste.
No, you have to take this. You have to take this. No. That is that.
Okay. Guys, I'm tasting. Hey! Okay. So guys, I'm tasting.
Let me also.
So guys, I'm tasting banana with bloody red ketchup or sauce.
Dip more ketchup. In
No.
Yes.
So guys, cheers.
Cheers. If you survive this, eat. Hey! You have to eat.
Okay.
You have to eat the whole thing. Actually, it's normal. The ketchup, when you put it in your mouth, the ketchup is gone.
Yeah.
So it's normal. I feel the hardest.
It's
is gonna be
actually
the-
better than Oreo. You could say it's better than Oreo, but I'll just look into it. Wait. Next one is.
Wait, let me go get the spoons.
You want to try the cereal? Oh.
Yup.
After a short commercial break.
5 minutes later.
So guys, we're tasting the cornflakes right now.
No, we are not going to taste it with milk. We are going to taste it with Pepsi. So guys, it's actually Anna's favorite cornflakes.
Yeah,
so
with
we're going
milk,
to,
guys.
We are going to spoil it for him with Pepsi. You know, it's going to be very good. I like Pepsi. He likes this. Great combination. So Anna,
You
you,
eat.
you have to take a big bite.
Yeah.
Like, see, a big bite.
Yeah. You first
See,
pour.
the others you took small bite. This you have
You
to.
first pour, then we'll see.
La 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 la.
Why are you so happy about doing the wrong things in life, da?
Because I'm spoiling this for you.
Enough. Guys, I think immediately the cereal became soft. No, it's actually.
Eat it.
It's
No, it's the same. But eat it. You take one big bite. One big bite. No, for the SD additive. One big bite. With
this
Pepsi.
is it.
No.
Is it?
No, for SD additive. No. You took half of it out. So guys, I love you all. For all my fans.
Fans. You have many fans around here. What the hell, bro? It tastes the same. Nothing which you gave till now beats the mark.
No, this one is weird if you take it with Coke. With Pepsi.
I'm fine.
Like if you take the Pepsi and the thing together, it's different.
You taste it all. So guys, I think we'll just cut down to the end of the video. We just
No.
saw the last.
We have this, the shot.
I think we'll do this at the last.
Because that's the hardest. It smells also weird, guys. It's very weird.
So guys, we just taste this.
Honey with.
Who eats stuff like this, now? Where did he get inspired?
It's on YouTube and reels. You know, kids these days. So I'm also a kid.
Kids. So guys, we have honey. Honey only, no?
Yeah, honey.
Honey.
Pure honey.
Yeah, with lace. With
Yes.
lion honey. Oh yeah. We'll just taste it out and 3, 2,
1.
1.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
That's good. Hey, this is ugly. Eat it, I'll slap you.
No.
Uday, video, I'll cut it right now. Eat it. It's horrible. Who? Stop coughing. Corona. Hey, wait. Will this video be taken down? You're telling Corona and all. Okay, anyway. So yeah.
Wait. Before
Get me water.
you have to drink water.
This is by far the worst, guys.
Actually, it's worse than the mayo and.
Please, no, honey is not expired, no?
No, I don't know. I'm not supposed. I don't
It's
know.
so bad.
For the fans, we would like you to do
Ah,
some more shit.
One last, okay. Oh no. Okay. So guys, this is the last thing we're trying out today.
And the worst thing could be this only.
So guys, this is the last thing and the worst thing also. The worst thing till now is the Lay's, guys. It's the unexpected thing. I thought that's gonna be like caramel and popcorn type of thing, but
No,
it's
too
the
bad.
opposite, guys. So let's just try this one thing out.
It smells very bad. I would
Okay,
not.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going.
You didn't even drink it. Okay, guys. So end of the video. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in future, we'll irritate Mr. SD Radar Tube more and more. And I know you guys will enjoy it, and I enjoy it a lot. So peace out.
Say that it feels right.